Here we go again. Come on. Come on. Why'd you let him do that, bro?
You were blind as a bat. Hey, let's...
Oh. It went in the bush. We found it. You ready?
Yes, sir.
She gone.
Oh, it's taking so long, but we're going to Stone Mountain Park. It's close to downtown. How close is it?
About 20 minutes away.
About 20 minutes away. We're just waiting for Clark to show up.
Bro, I found a better bed after we hit those two
Hello.
balls.
Where are we going?
Anyway, so what we left.
There she is. We gotta wait 2 hours to get on top of it. Here at Stone Mountain.
I looked and then I didn't.
Whew. So we just started. I'm already tired.
Workout, supplement, and clothing line.
I like that idea.
Three Amigos pre-workout.
Every time I do this, I forget how hard it is to do. So we're going across the fence. So we made it kind of all the way up. We didn't really go all the way to the top, but
Without this man right here.
Let's go.
Brother Clark Copeland, he saved me from the mighty depths of Lake Lanier.
Aaron brought us into the trees. Thought he was being slick. Finally made it back. Woo!